Hi everyone, this is Gina. Easter is coming soon, so are you ready to make any creative works to decorate your room? This time we bring you an interesting rabbit basket. It's very beautiful and practical. If you are interested in, follow us and let's go. Wooden boards, polishing tools, and glue. After getting ready, we need to make a simple bunny model. Next, open the programming software and set up the piece. You need to set up these pieces, the end mirrors, the don't cut steps, and so on. Once you are set up, let's start carving. Before carving, you need to do these preparations as follows. Fixing the boards. Selecting the suitable end mirror. This time, I choose the 3.175mm end mirror. Setting the origin. Then click the position. Last step, find the program file and start up. We need to use some tools to polish it and brush it with wax oil. Let's start assembling. A very simple and creative Easter bunny basket is completed. You can use it to decorate your room, store your stuffs, or play it with your kids. If you want to try, we have shared these files in our Facebook groups. So click the link to learn more and join us. So see you next time. Bye bye.